You've been working with this solar client for last 3 months. You've nailed the presentation. You got in the best possible quotation. You've even had successful meetings with the customer and the deal is in the bag. However, when the time comes to take the decision, the customer says, I'll have to think about it. This doesn't really make sense. I have to ask my board of directors. One of the best ones that I come across when it is a residential client is I have to ask my wife or I have to ask my husband. Okay. And you are startled and thinking in your mind and trying to figure out what to say and how to convince the customer. So you give the best shot, you give it your best shot and follow up with offering discounts, more services, whatever else you can throw in. Before long, the customer drops off your priority list because they're not responding that much. And 6 months later, they have gotten a solar system installed from somebody else. Actually, what a missed opportunity and what a colossal waste of time and effort. Now, question is, has this ever happened to you? Maybe not with a 500 kilowatt or a megawatt level client, but maybe with a residential client or with a small commercial client, 20, 30 kilowatt, or actually maybe with a megawatt client. Has this happened to you? Having a process to connect with clients does not come naturally to most of the business owners. It doesn't even come naturally to a lot of big companies as well. But when we miss that golden opportunity or need to expand our business and take it to the next level, connecting with the client is a skill, a process, and a system we all wish we had. Regardless of our motivation, the skill and process to connect with our clients is something that we can all train, create, improve, and in some cases even perfect. Join us for a masterclass on digital marketing and process automation for solar companies. In this Power Pack session, we are going to talk about the primary steps about understanding a digital ecosystem, the 6 steps of customer acquisition formula that you can use to regularly generate leads and make sure that you have the right kind of customers in your kitty, how to nurture your clients so that they can be converted to customers today, tomorrow, and years down the line. And my favorite, the most important, a business and a follow-up automation process that can actually save you hours and hours of grunt work and tons of cash. Hi, my name is Amit Tusu and I am a solar business growth and a lead generation specialist. I'm the founder and CEO of solar company, Solar Compare, where we help businesses use the power of digital to generate more business and convert more clients to customers. I know a solar EPC company based out of Bangalore, which generated 53,000 leads in 3 years and did a business of more than 8 crores using a 6-step customer acquisition formula. A Delhi-based solar software company converted 37% more clients in 9 months after switching to the business automation system. And another solar EPC company dealing in commercial projects run by just 4 people, generated 1.8 crores in business in 14 months. Just by shifting from direct sales approach to a value-based nurturing approach, that too only digitally. As you can see, the list goes on, but you get the idea. The ability to constantly generate valid leads, set up a follow-up system, and build a client nurturing process is something that will definitely benefit your business. Setting up this system is challenging, but at the end of the day, the benefits far outweigh the time and energy invested in these essential processes. If you don't want to be left behind in the world of extreme competition, let's roll up our sleeves and get started. Join us for the masterclass, and we look forward to interacting with you. Have a day full of sunshine. See you at the masterclass. Take care. Bye-bye.